Okay, here I will show you the project panel. This is the project panel here, and the project panel is the place you store all your assets in Adobe Premiere Pro. The asset can be still image like this, or movie file, audio file, or video file like this, and you use the bin to organize your asset. Like the one in here, this empty bin, and make it as audio, and you can move the drag and drop to the bin in here, audio bin, or you can create a new bin for video like this to store all the video file in the video bin here, and you can create a new bin for still image like this, and drag and drop, select all the still image, put it on here in the bin here, and you can create a new bin from here, for example movie, and you can select it, drag and drop to the movie bin, and you can expand or corrupt the bin by clicking on the triangle here. And if you want, you can double click it to go inside it, and click here to go upper directory like this, go out. And the project panel here, they have list view and icon view like this. You can expand it to see them more space in here. And the file in here, any file you click it, select it, will show the basic information on here. For example, like this one, movie file, frame size, pixel aspect ratio, duration, frame rate, sample rate, bit, stereo, like this. And in here they have the preview area with a small player monitor in here. You can drag on this to check it, check the content or the select the movie, or if you want, you can click the play button to play it, and click again to stop it. And in here they have the poster frame button. For example, this for setting the poster frame, and like this one, there's a firewall movie file, and let's check it in here. There's just some table like this, and in this frame, if you will get in an icon view like this, you cannot notice what's the contents inside this. Maybe you see this some table like this, but it actually is not. You move it, you check it, that's the firewall. And because the video tape I have used to filming the firewall, and at the beginning, the first time I just record some scene in my table, so I record this, and then I revise it and go out and film the firewall. So the first frame is this, and actually the contents is the firewall. And when you see this is not a firewall, if you just look at this, you don't know what's this, the content of this, so you can go to a frame like this, so you can see this a firewall, and you click it, change the thumbnail view, the poster frame, so like this. And any frame you can change it. For example, you get a close one and click here to set the poster frame on here. Same thing when you drag and drop in here, if you expand this, the poster frame in here, and like this, if you move it at the beginning, you move in here, the poster face here, right? You cannot see what's the content on the clip here, so you can change the poster face like this, very easy. So this will change it, right? And we get this view, icon view, So hide the preview area, and we have in here you can create a new bin linen item like this. You select this, you can select linen, so you can change the name in here. By default you can just select the name in here to change it. Click again, click again, so you can change the name like this. And you can delete a item. Click delete. This will remove it from the project panel. And I'll make it undo, bring it back, and automate to sequence. I'll show you later. And file. Let's go up here. For example, I have many media file in here, and I want you looking for a file. How they call, maybe call copyright 2003, for example. And if I want to file the file, I have to go through all this copyright 2003, copyright 2003. Let's say, oh, I have this. And if you have a lot of media file in your project panel, it's not easy to file it like the way you check it one by one in here. So in here you have the folder. When you open the file, this dialog box, you can, from the parameter in here, you can select label name. So you select name in here because I know the name is copyright 2003, something like that. And operator, you can select the operator here. Content, start with, end with, or must accept. So I click content, any name should be matched on them. And you have another combination for the search, and match all or any or case sensitive. If the option you can use to search for a file. Like this, I will search for a name, and just copyright 2003 like this. So I click file. Now here's file the copyright 2003 in here. And if I click again, if I another one in here, click again, you'll go back to here. And if you have finished, you can click done to finish the search. And here for the thumbnail is now is all. So here you see the icon here, audio icon, video icon, movie icon. If you uncheck the off, that means turn the thumbnail on. So you see they have the thumbnail in here. And you have also made a size for the thumbnail. Select the size, medium, large, small, like this. And the thumbnail in here also, let's go to a movie file like this. You see in the icon view like this, and this is a list view with the thumbnail turned on. And also you can change the poster fade like this, and this one you can change the poster fade, so you can see. And here clean up and refresh. The refresh command is for the list view, and the cleanup is for the icon view. So in here, refresh, let's go to a small, or maybe turn the thumbnail off. And the refresh, sometimes when you work on the project panel here, you change the name or delete a file or something, they just remain them, but actually it's removed or changed on them, but they have not changed. Maybe there's some refresh problem, so you can go to here, click refresh to refresh it. Mostly they can refresh the project panel. And in the icon view like this, you can drag and drop in this way. This is also like a storyboard. You can order your file. For example, you can order your file like the one in here. You want, or this to be the last one, this the first one, the second one here, further one in here. So the in ordering in the icon view is from left to right. top to bottom. This is the order. And like you drag and drop in here on the icon view here. And if you go to here, click clean up, they will reorder the file. Before them, you clean up again. That's mean you move it like this in order. Oh, yes, this one. So it bring in here. This at once the command depend on the left to right, top to bottom. So let's click and clean up. So they put it in order. And the edit column is in the list view. The list view here, they have many information. You see, here you see they have many information for the media file. And the edit column in here, you see they check it label, so they show you the label here. Media type, check it, media type, the information in here. So in here, if you want to see the information, you can check it. If you don't want to see the information, then you can uncheck it like this. Let's check it about video info tape name like this. If you don't want to see the tape name, you can uncheck it. Description, command, log no like this, statue, like the capture setting, like this. You can good or no. You can uncheck it. The media information is depend on the media file in here. Like this is audio file, media type is audio file, and this with audio file, this is the movie file. They have both audio and video together into this media file. So this movie file, and this sequence, editing sequence, this video created from Adobe Title Designer, no audio, and this QuickTime movie file, MOV file, that's a video file, and this image sequence, no audio, just like a video file. And in here they have the frame rate. Frame rate in here for the audio, they have no frame rate, they just show you the audio sample. Let's refresh. Okay, and the movie file, the frame rate is 29.97 frames per second. This NTSC media file, and also you create a Adobe Title Designer motion title inside this project, so they keep the frame rate from the project setting. And this one, this image sequence, you can interpret as 80 frames per second. If you want, you can use the frame rate from the file or from the project setting in here. So 29.97 like this. And here, media start, media end. This is the beginning of the clip and end of the clip physically. And let's check it in here. And the media duration from media start to media end. And here this the video input, video output. If you set it, you can drag and drop in here to set the media input and media output to set it. And this the video duration. The video input and video output. And here this the video duration. And the video input, you can change it in here, set it, and duration from video in to video out. In here you can click it to enter the number, for example 2 seconds 15 frames as the video input, and the video output you can set it as 5 seconds and 21 frames like this. And the video duration have been adjusted from video in to video out here. And this is the logical beginning of the clip and logical end of the clip. And this is for the media start. This is the physical, the file on your computer, and physical media end and duration. And video information, they have here for the we find that the frame resolution, the frame size, this is NTSC frame size and pixel aspect ratio for the video information. And like this one, they have an alpha channel with them. Yeah, this is image sequence, this QuickTime video, this is motion title. They have alpha channel with them, and the size with this, and 320 by 240 square pixel, and all of this. And for the audio information, you see the sample rate, bit, 16 bit, what's the type, mono, stereo, or 5 song clip, like this. And here video usage, audio usage, like this one, Moxai have been used in any sequence in this project, have been used 5 times and not used on the audio. And this music file have been used once in the sequence. In this sequence, they show you in here. Like the one in here, they have no video usage and no audio usage, like this, no audio usage. So that means they have not been used in any other sequence in this project. And if you want, when you finish your project, you can remove this file from your project, because the media file is not used in any sequence, so it's not used on the project. So you can remove that to free up the space for your project file. And of course, another very easy to use is remove unuser. When you click on here, all the unuser media file will be removed from your project panel here, from your project, but it's not removed from your computer, don't worry. And description, like the one in here, you can click again to enter any document in here for description, enter any text for description, like this. And log no scene, as you see when you capture your video, you can input the log no scene in here. If you want, you can enter it now after you capture the video or audio. And subtext, same thing. And here you click here to add, maybe this is not enough information to show you, or if you want to add something, you can have this button, you can click it to add the text. For example, you want in here, good to be used for the project, like this, whatever you want. And the type, I select Boolean. Boolean is the checkbox, you can check it yes or no, something like that. If you select the type as text, so you can enter any text on them. Another one, good to be used for the like this as Boolean. Okay, I move in here and I will add another one. Your text to show me with, like this, a command or whatever you for the name, and this now to be a text for the type. So I click OK, and here I will move it down after the media type here, and this one also, so I can move it up or down like this. And if you want, you can also remove it, or if you want to rename this. Okay, and now I go to click OK to activate it. Now it's after the media type here, good to be used for what? For the XAG for them. And in the Boolean type, you see, you can check it, yes, good to be used for this one, and this one also good to be used for like this, you can check it. And for your text to show me with, like this, you can check here for, you can put any information on this, like this. Okay, you want your text, this is just for like this. That's the difference between Boolean and text type. You add a column information is here, and as you see, you can drag and drop in here to see the information in here. You can move in order, move the ordering in here by drag and drop on the line in here. So this is much easier. Then you go to the edit column and select the item, move it up or down like this. You just drag and drop to move the ordering here. And something for the ordering of the file in here, when you click media, the any name here for the ordering and by alphabet, you click it from audio. Let's take into here. So when you click it, click again, the ordering by alphabet A, U, A, M, S, V. So the ordering like this. If you click again, is from V, S, M, A. So you can click in here to make it ordering. Like this one, you click it C, M, V, V, M, C. This for the ordering. And like this, the name in here, the media type, you cannot drag and drop to any position. This will always in the first one, and after this they show you the information in here. You can move it to check it like this. You cannot move the first one into any position in here. They always into the first one.